Welcome, welcome. In this video, I'm going to be solving this question: arrangement of cells in circuits. In this case, it's going to be arrangement of resistors in circuits. Alright, so and on the picture above, this is arranged in parallel. Of course, how you know that arranged in parallel is when all the positive terminals are connected to one point and all the negative terminals are connected to another point. So all you need to do is just click the plus sign, share this video, like this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you have any question regarding arrangement of either resistors or voltmeters in parallel and series, let me know your thoughts in the comment below, and I'll be in the comment section to attend to questions and also answer your questions. So what are you waiting for? Let's get into it. So now I'm going to be introducing the formula for finding for solving resistors or cells arranged in parallel. The formula is the reciprocal of in this case reciprocal of the total internal resistance of this circuit is equal to the values for the resistors in ohms. In this case is R, so it's 1 over R plus 1 over R plus 1 over R. So now sum this up. SCM of R means R, and on this side is going to be 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is going to be equal to 3 over R. We're looking for the total internal resistance of the left hand side. So I'm going to the reciprocal. So we reciprocate both sides. When we say reciprocate, the denominator will come up and numerator will come down. So we're going to have RT is equal to R over 3. So now this is the value for the total internal resistance. On the right hand side, I see the same thing. So since we are looking for RAB, we're looking for RAB, which is the external resistance of this circuit is going to be two times total internal resistance, because they are the same. It's going to be equal to 2 times R over 3 is going to be equal to 2R over 3 ohms. 2R over 3 ohms. So this is the answer to the question. Please don't forget to share this video and follow me for more. I'll see you in the next video. Stay with us.